Meaning of hotpot.
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 Hotpot. Hotpot is a type of Chinese cuisine where a simmering pot of soup is placed at the center of the table and diners cook raw meat, vegetables, and other ingredients in the broth. The resulting dishes are flavorful and satisfying, often accompanied by an array of dipping sauces and condiments. Hotpot is a communal dining experience, promoting social interaction and conviviality around the shared pot. It is a versatile dish that can be customized to individual taste preferences and dietary restrictions. Overall, hotpot is a delicious, interactive, and festive way to enjoy a meal with friends and family.